In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Salesforce consulting partner. If you've ever thought about aligning with Salesforce to propel your business into new opportunities, you're in the right place. Now, becoming a Salesforce consulting partner means you get access to resources, training, and guidance, which can significantly enhance your credibility and expertise in the field. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, head over to the official Salesforce Partner Community website. This is your gateway to begin your journey. If you already have a Salesforce account, you can log in right away using your existing credentials. If not, don't worry, you'll need to create a Salesforce username to proceed, which is a straightforward process. Next, you'll need to complete the partner application. Salesforce will ask for some basic information such as your company name, the number of employees you have, and your website details. This information helps Salesforce understand more about your business and how you intend to use the partnership. Once you've filled in all the details, it's time to choose your partnership type. In this instance, you should select Consulting Partner from the available options. This choice aligns your business with a specific focus on consulting services within the Salesforce ecosystem. After selecting your partnership type, you'll be presented with the Salesforce Partner Program Agreement, or SPPA. It's important that you read through this agreement carefully to understand the terms and conditions. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and accept the terms to move forward. Now that the formalities are out of the way, it's crucial to build your expertise and credibility. As a consulting partner, you'll need to demonstrate your capabilities and understanding of Salesforce solutions. Engaging with the resources and training materials available to you as a partner is key to achieving this. Once you've built the necessary expertise, there are specific requirements you need to meet to get your partnership approved. Ensure you're thoroughly acquainted with these requirements to avoid any hiccups in the approval process. Meeting these conditions solidifies your standing with Salesforce and opens up the incredible benefits of the partnership. Finally, once you're an approved partner, your journey doesn't end there. It's essential to maintain and grow your partnership with Salesforce actively. This means staying updated with Salesforce innovations, participating in training, and continuously enhancing your skills and offering. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can become a valuable Salesforce consulting partner. Remember, this partnership is not just a title, but a journey of continuous learning and strategic growth. Keep pushing forward, and soon you'll become an integral part of the Salesforce community. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. See you next time.